they said East Africa wasn't ready. That hosting AFCON was beyond reach. But now Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania are proving the world wrong. With every passing day, stadiums are rising, steel and concrete shaping a future that once seemed impossible. The dream of hosting AFCON 2027 is no longer just a vision. It's a reality being built brick by brick. But the question remains, will they finish in time? The Confederation of African Football, CAF, has set the bar high, demanding world-class venues capable of hosting Africa's most prestigious tournament. Meeting these standards is not just about securing the bid, it's about reshaping the future of football in East Africa. Will these ambitious projects deliver, or will the pressure prove too much? Akibua Olympic Stadium. Deep in Lira, Uganda, a stadium is rising in honor of one of the nation's greatest sports legends, John Akibua. He was the first Ugandan to win an Olympic gold medal, making history in the 400-meter hurdles at the 1972 Munich Games. Now his legacy is being immortalized in concrete and steel with the construction of the Akibua Olympic Stadium. With a planned 30,000-seat capacity, this stadium is designed to become one of Uganda's premier sports venues. The blueprint includes modern seating, high-quality turf, upgraded locker rooms, and top-tier amenities, all aimed at ensuring that Uganda meets CAF's stringent stadium requirements. Shazi Complex football isn't just a sport in Tanzania, it's a way of life. And in Dar es Salaam, the construction of the Shazi Complex is set to transform the city's football culture forever. This isn't just another stadium, it's a football fortress, a battleground where history will be made. Home to AAMFC, one of Tanzania's most dominant clubs, this venue is being built with one goal in mind: to meet CAF's elite standards and put Tanzania at the forefront of African football. The stadium will feature cutting-edge seating arrangements, premium player facilities, high-tech lighting systems, and enhanced security measures. But here's where things get interesting. With multiple stadiums under development across East Africa, which nation will earn the honor of hosting the AFCON 2027 final? Tanzania is pulling out all the stops, ensuring that the Shazi Complex becomes one of the most modern football venues in Africa. Kipchoge Keino Stadium, Kenya, isn't taking any chances. The Kipchoge Keino Stadium, located in Eldoret, is one of the country's most important sports venues, named after the legendary Kipchoge Keino, an Olympic gold medalist and one of Kenya's most celebrated athletes. This 10,000-seat stadium is undergoing major renovations, with upgrades including a revamped playing surface, improved spectator seating, new changing rooms, and advanced floodlights for night matches. Kenya wants to ensure that this stadium is ready to host AFCON matches, but there's a challenge. It's one of the smallest venues in the AFCON bid. Nakivubo War Memorial Stadium. In Kampala, Uganda, the Nakivubo War Memorial Stadium is undergoing one of the biggest transformations in East African football history. Once a legendary stadium, Nakivubo had fallen into disrepair. But now, Uganda is bringing it back to life, stronger, bigger, and better than ever. This 25,000-seat stadium is being completely redesigned with modern features, including a state-of-the-art playing surface, premium spectator seating, advanced security systems, and dedicated VIP sections. The goal? To turn Nakivubo into one of the leading AFCON venues in Uganda. Nyayo National Stadium. In Nairobi, Kenya, the historic Nyayo National Stadium is getting a much-needed transformation. Originally built for the 1987 All-Africa Games, this 30,000-seat venue has long been a central hub for Kenyan football. Now, with AFCON 2027 on the horizon, the stadium is being renovated from top to bottom. Upgrades include a modernized playing surface, improved seating, enhanced floodlights, and upgraded VIP and press areas. Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium, Tanzania is building big, and the Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium in Arusha is one of its most ambitious projects. Unlike other venues being renovated, this stadium is completely new, designed from the ground up to be a multi-sport powerhouse. With a 30,000-seat capacity, this stadium is set to feature cutting-edge facilities, including a sports museum, office spaces, and an elite training ground. Mandela National Stadium, one of Uganda's most iconic stadiums, Mandela National Stadium in Kampala, is undergoing a complete transformation. Formerly known as Nambull Stadium, this 45,000-seat giant has hosted historic matches, but its outdated infrastructure needed urgent attention. Uganda is ensuring that its largest stadium meets the highest international standards. Renovations include a brand new playing surface, modernized seating, enhanced security systems, and upgraded media facilities. Moi International Sports Centre. Kenya's largest stadium, the Moi International Sports Centre, Kasarani, is a key pillar in the country's AFCON 2027 bid. With a massive 60,000-seat capacity, this stadium is already one of East Africa's most recognizable venues. Kasarani has hosted major international tournaments, but AFCON demands the best. Kenya is making major improvements: a new pitch, VIP sections, better security, and world-class press facilities. Transport and access roads are also being upgraded to handle massive crowds efficiently. Tented Stadium. Kenya isn't just renovating, it's building something brand new. The Tented Stadium in Nairobi is set to be one of the most technologically advanced stadiums in Africa. With a planned 60,000-seat capacity, this venue will include VAR technology, goal line tracking, massive LED screens, and cutting-edge spectator facilities. It's built to compete directly with Tanzania's Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium, which is also vying for the AFCON 2027 final match. Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium. In Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, the Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium stands as one of East Africa's premier football venues. With a 60,000-seat capacity, it has already hosted major international matches and remains a cornerstone of Tanzanian football. Unlike many other AFCON 2027 venues still under construction, Benjamin Mkapa Stadium is already match-ready. However, Tanzania is making further upgrades, enhancing VIP lounges, media facilities, and hospitality sections to meet CAF's strictest standards. The real battle: Tanzania versus Kenya. Both nations want to host the AFCON 2027 final